cheesy, and loaded with fresh garlic. This is the garlic bread everyone will fight over. For this recipe, we're using 1 large loaf of French bread, softened butter, plenty of fresh garlic, mozzarella, Parmesan, parsley, Italian seasoning, salt, and black pepper.
Start with fresh garlic. Peel the cloves and chop them very finely. The smaller the pieces, the more evenly that incredible garlic flavor spreads through the butter. Now add softened butter to a bowl. Follow it with the chopped garlic, fresh parsley, Italian seasoning, a little salt, and freshly cracked black pepper. Mix everything until you have a creamy, fragrant garlic butter. Look at those little pieces of garlic and parsley. This is where the flavor starts. Take your French bread and slice it into thick pieces. The trick is to stop before cutting completely through the bottom, so every slice stays connected.
Now comes the best part. Spread that garlic butter deep into every single slice. Don't be shy. Get the butter all the way into the cracks and across the top.
Next, cover the bread with plenty of shredded mozzarella. Add Parmesan for a deeper, savory flavor. And an extra golden finish. Finish the top with a little more parsley and Italian seasoning. The bright green herbs make the bread look fresh, while the seasoning adds another layer of flavor. Place the loaf on a baking tray. Slide it into a preheated oven. Now we let the heat transform all that butter, garlic, and cheese into something seriously delicious. As it bakes, the butter melts deep into the bread. The garlic becomes beautifully fragrant, and the cheese starts bubbling into a golden crust.
Once the top is golden and bubbling, pull it out. That color is exactly what we're looking for. Crispy edges with a soft, buttery center. While the bread is still hot, finish it with fresh parsley and another light dusting of Parmesan. That final touch makes every bite look restaurant quality. Now watch this. Pull one slice away slowly. And look at that melted cheese! Crispy on the outside, soft and buttery inside. Cut the loaf into individual pieces. Listen to that crispy crust, while the center stays warm, soft, and loaded with garlic butter.
Arrange the pieces on a serving board and serve them hot. For an extra touch, add warm marinara sauce on the side for dipping.
Dip that crispy, cheesy piece into warm marinara, and you've got the perfect combination of buttery garlic, melted cheese, and rich tomato flavor. And the best part? You get restaurant-style garlic bread right at home, using simple ingredients and a few easy steps. Crispy edges, a buttery garlic center, stretchy mozzarella, and that irresistible Parmesan finish. This is the kind of bread that disappears fast.
If you love crispy, cheesy garlic bread, you have to try this recipe. Like this video, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and tell me in the comments, what should we make next?